30 nations are backing the U.S. proposal for a global minimum tax on corporations. Seems like a good time to me to bring in Grover Norquist. Grover, you say a corporate tax hike would increase costs like utilities, right?
Well, of course, if you raise the American corporate income tax, utilities pay the corporate income tax, and they get that money by raising their charges for your fees when you get your monthly bill for your utility. When we cut the corporate income tax under Trump and the Republicans, we saw across the country a reduction in what people were paying for utilities. It works back the other way. So it directly hits workers that way, but it also, about 50 to 70% of the corporate income tax comes out of workers in lower pay and fewer jobs. So it's a tax on workers.
But also, you know, if you look at it from a global point of view, there are countries like Ireland and others that set a very low corporate tax rate because they wanted to attract corporations. They wanted to attract job makers and things that would actually benefit their local economies. And here we have Janet Yellen going around the world saying no. I think it should be up to the individual countries. I know they signed on to it, but the whole point was to be competitive.
Absolutely. What Yellen wants to do is allow the United States to have taxes that are too high and then force other countries to have taxes that are too high to avoid competition. What you want is governments to compete to provide the best government at the lowest cost. The United States, we had a 35% rate for decades, and the rest of the world came down way below us. We were not competitive. When we took the tax rate down to 21%, corporate income tax, we were much more competitive. And this is what Yellen doesn't want. She wants to tie America's hands. If we wanted to cut our taxes to be more competitive, we'd have to get the Europeans to agree with us, the Chinese to sign off on it, for crying out loud. China has no intention of keeping their word on this subject, and Britain just took their entire banking system out of that deal, something that they didn't offer us.
Right. Those things are going to happen. Grover, another issue for you. President Biden's infrastructure deal calls for $40 billion to beef up the IRS. And you say that will hurt small businesses the most, right?
Yes, because the IRS has been saying for years where they want to go to look for getting more tax revenue is in those businesses that are necessarily get paid in cash. Restaurants, barbershops, nail salons, food trucks, the corner grocery. These are the businesses that they're going to go after. These are largely small businesses, hundreds of thousands of them. The large corporations already have plenty of lawyers and accountants, and they pay exactly what they're supposed to because they know that they have to. And the same thing with the ultra-rich. They're going after smaller companies, smaller businesses that can't lawyer up, that don't have that kind of thing, and they can get terrified by the IRS. And when the IRS wants to put 87,000 more agents in the field, they're not going to help you when you call in. You know, the number of people who call in and you can't get an answer from the IRS. That's not something that they're beefing up. They're going to beef up going out and doing auditing. They want the right, the power to look at your Venmo accounts, everything that goes in and out of PayPal, Venmo, any bank accounts you have. They want complete transparency on your life because it'll make their life easier to tax.
So Joe Biden's pledge about I'm here to protect middle-class America, that's a classic example of where he's not at all, because that hurts middle-class America.
It certainly does, and he knows it, and he keeps saying that about not taxing anyone who earns less than $400,000. If you pay utility bills, you will be getting higher taxes. If you work for a company that sees higher taxes, you will be getting less pay than you would otherwise. This is coming directly out of the middle-class pockets. And who are they going to audit? They already audit the big companies. They're going to be auditing the smaller firms, the ones that your neighborhood nail salon.
Yeah, exactly. I'll have to leave it there. Grover Norquist, great stuff as always, Grover. Thanks for joining us.
Good to be with you.